So you just take your right hand and you slide it down in between that sandwich disc, and you hook that below that hook here on the right hand side, and then you pull down with the left hand side till you feel it click.
Okay.
Did you see that? Come over here and I want you to see that. I'm going to put it in the top, and then I'm going to, with my right hand, go back down under there, and then I'm going to pull straight down,
Okay, I see.
and it
yeah.
went and hooked
Down
down
the
in a
hook.
little hook down there. If we had a flashlight, you could see that little hook.
I can see it.
See that
right
little
there.
hook right there? See, it's down in that little hook. Okay. Now, all we're gonna do, just keep in mind that on threading machine, it's down, up, down, up. Do you see what I'm saying? Okay, so we've got it in the tension. Now we're gonna go under here and just pull it up. Now we're gonna put this at the highest level, and we're just gonna lay it across the top, let it go down in and pull it forward, and it's going to go in that little hole. Because I want to show you why it does. Can you see this slot? When I laid it across there, it went into that slot, and I pulled it forward, and it came right to that little eye. By the way, this is a needle threader on here. But I still can't thread the needle. My eyes have gotten so bad. Okay. Then this, you come in from the right hand side, and all you do is lay it there and pull it forward, and it goes right into that thing.
Okay.
You see it's in there. Okay, now the next one, you just put it on the left hand side and roll it to the right. And did you see it went in there?
I see.
See that little? And so it's through there now. Now the next move is you put it from the front to the back through the eye of the needle. And then on a Singer, normally the pressure foot has a slot in there, and you just take and put your thread
In between.
and pull it back like that. On this one, the slot is over to the side. And I don't know where they came up with this pressure foot, but if you've got one in the attachments
I've
that's
one
got
with
the
other
slot.
machine, with the one from the other
No,
machine.
because that's a vertical needle. This
Oh,
is a
okay,
slant
slant
needle.
needle.
See how your needle slants forward on this sewing machine?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's a slant needle. It's going to make a better stitch than just nearly. You just can't beat a stitch like that. That's the reason my wife wanted a touch and sew, because it made the perfect stitch. You know. Okay, but in the attachments there ought to be a pressure foot, and it ought to be one that snaps on and off like this,
Okay.
and it ought to have a slit right in here and no slit over here. I don't like that slit on the side. Maybe you might like it. Somebody must like it because they put it on this machine. To put this back on, you just line this little, can you see this little pin in there? Okay, you just line it up. See that little hook down there? Watch here. I'm just going to set it there, and then I'm going to put a little pressure. Hear it snap? It's on.
Okay. Great.
And then you just go